We never want students to feel like they're being backed into a corner of what classes they have to take. I think every school can say that they're technically college prep. So for us, it's those higher levels of thinking that we ask our students to do and move beyond that knowledge base and really go into being a lifelong learner.
There's always opportunity to make memories and help be a part of a community at any school, but I've grown more than I could ever imagine here. It's stretched me and grown me in ways that I didn't even know I needed to grow in.
We work with our students and we meet with them 3 to 4 times a year. We're exploring things as they are exploring themselves. And one of the biggest things they talk about is how teachers have this excitement of teaching and they want kids to be successful. And then they will bend over backwards for those students to be successful.
To me, really, education is at the heart and soul of what it is to be a Jesuit. To me, I think that is exactly what we are called to do. Education doesn't stop in the classroom, but it's really experienced throughout the entire day of extracurriculars, of sports, of just even interactions in the hallway.
I would definitely say Christian service has really helped develop me into the man I am today. Going out into marginalized communities, seeing what they have to go through and kind of us experiencing it on a helpful yet also spiritual level. It's just something that is very eye-opening, and I really enjoyed it.
Every freshman comes in and takes a year-long class in which they begin to talk about foundations of what it means to be Jesuit and what it means to be a Jesuit school, which is very distinct. We can look at any Christian religious school and say, there is a God piece, and that's so valuable. But what makes St. John's distinct is this Jesuit spirituality, this Jesuit identity, which says not only is it AMDG, which is for the greater glory of God, but it is also finding God in all things.
The Brotherhood at St. John's is one of the biggest pieces that makes us who we are as an all-boys school, because again, the guys get comfortable with each other, and you strip away the co-ed educational experience and all the social pieces that come along with a co-ed experience, and the strength now becomes the academic setting for an all-boy environment.
St. John's has a lot of teachers and coaches that are able to really zero in or create a relationship with you. I think Mr. Spinoff, my track coach, he's kind of like a father figure to me. I go to him for a lot of things. He's had a major impact on my life, helped me grow as a person, and just help me find my way and path in life.
When thinking about the students and what they've done over the years, and that stereotype that some people have where they think just all the kids here are just a privileged certain type of kid, and that's not the case. One of the things the kids always talk about is just the family feel, it just feels like home here. That's part of it, that they have a mix of of everything that they can relate to.
When a young man leaves St. John's, we always hope that they will enter the world not only fully prepared to succeed, but especially that they're giving and they understand that it's not about themselves, it's others. They go out into the world to want to make a difference, not just for themselves, but to make the world better, to make those around them better.